first 3 fucking notes, okay? Teach me, Rick, teach me. Give me your knowledge. You're like fucking Yoda, dude. Give it to me.
Age-wise, possibly.
Whatever.
Yeah, he's been a good friend of mine. But lately something's changed, it ain't hard to define. Just has got himself a good.